How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Cherokee Grey Wolf. This is going to be their 29 QB floor plan. So altogether, this camper is going to have one slide out. You do have one awning on the campsite here, as well as two entrances. Looking at the tires, you tell that this camper is dual axle. You do have a little bit of an outdoor kitchen situation out here with a fridge to keep your drinks cold, as well as an ice maker. Pretty cool blue light looking sound system out here, and then solid steps underneath this entry door. So if we take a step on the inside, we're going to start with the very back first. So if we go through this door, you're going to find your bedroom. Now this is one of two bedrooms. You have a little bit of storage action in the corner there. Cute little window with a TV backer, storage above, and then there is even more storage underneath that mattress as well. Like I said, one slide out in total for this travel trailer. This one's going to consist of your U-shaped dinette. You have really deep drawers that pull out underneath, and then that one does turn into a bed, as well as this couch that is right next to it. Right off of your couch, you're going to find your entertainment center with your TV backer already put in place, and then your pantry. Pretty good sized pantry for the size of travel trailer. And then we're going to step into your kitchen area. So you have a oversized refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop, microwave down below, single basin sink, plenty of storage up above. And then if we make our way down this hallway to the right, we're going to check out your bathroom. One and only bathroom in this travel trailer. It is pretty good size. You do have your radius shower. There's that second entry that we saw on the outside. And then your toilet's going to be down below. You also have your corner medicine cabinet, corner sink, and now there are two ways to get into this main bedroom. You can go through that way, or you can go through the main entrance, which is this way right here. You have a queen size bed up in this bedroom, storage surrounding, chargers and outlets on either side. There's that door that we saw that goes into the bathroom. And then of course, you do have more storage underneath the mattress, just like the other bedroom that we saw. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Cherokee Grey Wolf 29 QB. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Now this is one of two bedrooms. You have a little bit of storage action in the corner there. Cute little window with a TV backer, storage above.